The purpose of this video is to explain about how we can make a very easy with the ChatGPT about the visitor visas employment letter. The purpose of the employment letter is supporting visitor visa is genuine and you have enough incentive. You came to Australia as just temporary and then you're planning to go back to your home country. Your employer confirm you have a great job and they look forward to see you soon upon you finished your trip. So it gives the extra toy. It's all coming down to the definition of the incentive, the also genuineness about the other. It's a very common ground about the rejection 600.211, which is genuineness. Because you don't have enough circumstance, you don't have enough condition, you just can't convince the Department of Immigration showing that you have enough incentive, which is you're not genuine. Even after you think you're honest, your case is straight up, this is my intention. Trust me, its intention is one of the very hard to prove, anybody. But circumstance on the other side, the condition, what is around your circumstance is much more convincible. People just simply about the judgment based on what do you have, like bank balance, your job, your current salary, what family tie you have, business tie you have, what asset. It's all combining. It's a very obvious. So focus on that obvious side. And the quickest and the easiest something what we can come up with is narrative, storyline about genuine temporary statement. One of them. Another one is came from the, instead of the your end, came from the independent third party, which is employment letter, can be very powerful as well. This is a very quickest way. You can just simply just generate with just ChatGPT. All you have to do, just watch this one and you will see. Regarding about the detailed information, all you have to do is just sell them out. You go to ChatGPT and the ChatGPT store. It's a free of charge. Bang. This is what you have to ask. My name is Steve Jobs and I'm from Russia. I'm planning to go to Australia, Sydney to the visitor visa, and I need the current employer's confirmation letter for leave and which supporting my trip. It's genuine and I'm planning to come back. My employer's name is Yoshi and his company name is Yoshi's Motor Mechanic. My current job is I'm a mechanic and I've been mechanic for last 2 years in Yoshi's place. And I have my family member. I have my sister, brother, my mom, my dad. I must come back to my home country upon complete of my trip in Sydney and Melbourne. Okay, the purpose of this what I need is so I can submitting to the Department of Immigration. So not actually get a right or quickest way to actually get a visa approval. I must get a supporting letter from my employer, which shows about my work, employment, commitment. Upon completion of my trip, I definitely go back to my home country. So create the employer's supporting letter from Yoshi. So start with the covering letter, like the covering letter. Okay. Subject employment confirmation and the leave approval for the Steve Jobs. My name is Steve Jobs. Okay, this is motor mechanic and the motor mechanic shop from the Yoshi and the starting day. Okay, very concise, very clear. I'm planning to leave my country on the 1st of October 2024 and returning to come back following maybe week after. This is right the supporting letter. This is a sample supporting letter. All you need about the just put your detail, date, and you come back and when are you planning to depart. Make sure it's the key, like the company letter. Make sure you put the company letterhead somewhere here, and the company detail. And if case office actually doubt about it, they can always reach you and ask them is it genuine or not. This demonstrates about the key element of the incentive part. It's a genuine visiting, which means everyone think about the genuine. I'm honestly, I'm straight up, I'm genuinely, I just want to come to Australia, I just want to have some trip, that's it. And then I will absolutely go back to the home. The Department of Home Affairs point of view is a genuine must comes with the incentive, which means based on your GDP, your salary package, about your job commitment, as well as about your family. Which one they put the on a scale, which way is better? Whether you just going to like underground, you come here on the visitor visa, you suddenly disappear, maybe cash in hand, maybe work, number of different places. That you're gonna be better, more you get more incentive compared to the work in your home country. Like maybe you might depend, the GDP and the nationality passport holder. You could earn about maybe 1 month's salary package could compare to maybe you could earning equal to the country package, maybe up to maybe years of the salary package. That's what the Department of Immigration looking at it, whether you have a genuine sort of the condition or not. It's not about yourself, obviously. It's very hard to prove or disapprove about the intention, but at least based on the fact, the circumstance. Put it this way, Department of Immigration will more keen to rely on your circumstance compared to the what you want to appeal. Do you understand? So what you have to do is you have to create this environment. Be able to convince the case officer you have enough asset, you have enough commitment, which force you to go back to your home country because you get more incentive when you get back to home. This is the key about all ministerial section 69, all kind of temporary visa, student visa, temporary visa for 408, even including about a short-term specialist, all under this category. You all get stepped down by about the ministerial section 69, which is a temporary visa, genuineness, incentiveness. It all comes down to. This is one of the things that I put about the chronic. You wouldn't be able to find about whether you need this or not from the department of the website, but this clarify one of the other incentive. There are many elements involved, but this is how you can get it. You can head around about this how to like a list.